Racing just is started with Explosivo. Break quickly at the start. Moving up is one more sweet case. Princess Ailey comes next. In the middle portion is Got to Know. Camela Bang, Magnus Dominus, while Silver Champ is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have one more sweet case. Explosivo is running by the rail. Aleng and a half further back in third comes Princess Ailey. Then next on ladies Got to Know. Camela Bang, Silver Champ alongside, while Magnus Dominus now racing in last half mile distance. They traveled. We have one more sweet case by her length and a half, and in second Explosivo, Princess Ailey in third, and here comes Camela Bang. So with Silver Champ on the outside. Got to Know, while Magnus Dominus is still racing in less. At the far turn, we have one more sweet case maintaining a length and a half lead. Silver Champ now in second. Camela Bang is down on the inside. Then next on line is Princess Ailey. Got to Know, and as they swing for home, we have one more sweet kiss, this time by about 3 lengths. Camela Bang in second. Silver Champ is racing in third. Last 75 meters from gate to wire, we have one more sweet kiss. In second is Camela Bang. Got to Know, Silver Champ, Princess Ailey. Then comes Magnus Dominus.
Ano, coach? 3, 1, 4, 6, 7.